Ciao picciotte e picciotte, carusi e carusi, good morning. I'm hoeing. Rosella, show my vegetable garden. This is my next vegetable garden, guys.
Let me show also the view, the beautiful view. Are you tired, Gianca?
This is a very hard job, guys. This is my personal and no, this is
a pickaxe.
Pickaxe, yeah, the O is the zappa in Italian. No, this is piccone, pickaxe, and I'm ready to plant my vegetables. So, guys,
could you please?
We are going to plant some tomatoes.
Show the plants. Just a few minutes. I want to say hello to my friends. I'm here. See
Ciao,
you?
ciao. Sì, c'è pure Rosella. Rosella is also with me. Unfortunately, I'm not alone because she doesn't do anything. She doesn't make anything.
I'm recording you.
She only order. She says, "Oh, Gianca, do this, do that." She only, I just say, orders. She rules. So, guys, out of the joke. In time of coronavirus, in time of pandemic.
This is the 25.
I don't mind. 25, 1 month, 1 year. I don't mind. I want to stay sane. I want to stay safe and positive. So, one of the possible opportunities to be positive is to make a little vegetable garden. I had to prepare my my soil. I just say my little garden. It's just like I don't know how many.
Let me show.
Square meters. So
this is the soil.
This is the hardest part of the job.
Okay, show me all the plants.
So this is this is tomato. I don't know. They are called Corleone tomato. I never heard this kind of tomato. Then we have pepper, capsicum pepper.
Peppers,
two
yes.
kinds.
We have chosen the yellow.
Yeah, I don't know which is the yellow. One is yellow and the other one is red. Red capsicum pepper. And then I have. Oh, this is very good. This is the. I used to say this is the guest star in the Sicilian cuisine, the queen of our traditional dishes. This is the eggplant, guys. The Tunisian eggplants. So the blue one, the velvet one, the big rounded shape eggplant.
Good to make caponata. Good to make
pasta with
pasta alla norma,
swordfish and eggplants. One of my favorites.
And parmigiana, of course.
Parmigiana. Also the eggplant sticks. How do you say cotolette?
Yes.
Di melanzane.
Cotolette di melanzane.
Just like beef sticks, but we make with eggplants.
With breadcrumbs.
Yeah, breadcrumbs above. And perhaps this is one of the most traditional Sicilian vegetable. I can translate it, guys. So if someone of you has a Sicilian origin, I'm sure that you already know. This is tenerumi, guys. So this is a special kind of zucchini, but in our tradition, in our culinary tradition, we used to eat also the leaves because it makes wonderful, delicious leaves, and we cook pasta with tenerumi leaves and zucchini, so the fruit of the plant, of course. And this is one of the most delicious and traditional pasta dish in Sicily. We used to eat it in summertime. I go crazy, for example, for the cold pasta with tenerumi and zucchini. Some people prefer hot pasta. I prefer the cold one. How do you say? It's so refreshing.
And you can also use, sorry, Gianca, for the an amazing soup, vegetable soup.
Yeah, I forgot to mention, this is not a traditional pasta, it's just like a soup. So pasta into a soup, and you can drink the juice of this delicious vegetable.
And the onions?
Come with me. I'm gonna show you what I did before. So I used to. Could you come closer? No.
Do you want I come with you?
Yeah.
Okay, wait for me.
Don't fall down.
No.
Please.
Ciao picciotte e picciotti. Follow me. How are you today? If you like this live streaming, don't forget to share with your friends, to spread love, to spread positive emotions, to spread. Because life is beautiful and you deserve to enjoy every moment of your life. I'm here, Gianca.
Are you talking to me? So guys, this is not a gun. This is a special tool to plant onions. So it's just like a cone, an iron cone. Come closer, Rosella, please. So we prepared the soil. We prepare a supervise. They don't need to be distant each other. So onions. Oh, I show the onions, of course. So guys, look at that. This is the traditional
red
Calabrese onion, red onion from Tropea, a village in Calabria, in the south of Italy. So this is not Sicilian, but we go crazy because this is the most delicious, the sweetest onion. So it's a red onion, and you don't need to respect a big distance between the little plants, so you can
on about 20.
Yeah, less than a feet. How do you say? I don't know in inch, but
in Italian is about,
it's about
20
15 centimeters. So this is the distance, more or less. So you can take this distance. Look at this. So you make just a hole. Of course, you have to prepare the soil before. Oh, and then you can put the little plant. Oh, let's try. Wow. So this is a special moment. When I will grow it, I will do another live stream to share with you the result. Okay, guys. And then we can cover it. Now this is just an instance. So I want to show you, for example, how we can plant the other little plants. But before, Rosella, look at this. So guys, look at this.
Oh,
they are so small now, but in few months
can you recognize?
They will be ripe. So guys, Oh, but perhaps they recognize, they know the leaf, the leaf.
Figs of Sicily.
Yeah, guys. This is the white fig, so not the biggest one. I don't know how we call it, but the biggest one, the dark one, Rosella, come si chiamano?
Biferi.
I bifari. No, they are. This is not a bifari fig tree. This is the white fig tree, but they are also delicious. So let me plant something. You can remain here. You can stay. We try with the pepper, or so because I made a few holes.
How many plants did you buy?
Guys, I think I exaggerated. I bought too much plants. For sure, they are too much for this little vegetable garden. But I'm lucky because I have a lot of space in my garden. But it means that I have to work hard and make and prepare the soil, make other holes. So, guys, this is not an easy life. You keep your mind busy, you breathe the pure atmosphere, the oxygen, you stay positive, but it's very, very hard. Let me plant just one. I will try with the capsicum pepper. So, all right. And then I want to say hello to my friends. Where is the... Yeah.
So this is different because you have to respect a bigger distance,
Yeah,
between each plant.
I think I made some mistake because I'm not an expert. I made the first holes with a small distance each other. How can I say? The other are more distant each other. So I try to plant some peppers because I presume they don't need a big space to grow. Let's try. I will show you the result in few months, guys.
How many months, more or less, Gianca?
I don't know. This is about
2 months.
This is
at least.
This is a early summer plant, so they ripen in early June, perhaps. I don't know.
Yeah. And every 2 days you need to water your plants.
Yeah.
You know this.
Yeah.
Don't forget about this, Gianca.
Now it's so rainy. So it has been so rainy because now the forecasting talk about a good season arriving. So perhaps we need to water this plant very, very often because temperature will rise, and but we had a very, very ugly March. It rained a lot, so if you
the soil is perfect,
if you
perfect
see the soil,
because it's full
very,
of minerals also.
very wet.
Yeah.
It's very important for our plants, guys. So, Rosella,
Go on, Gianca. You
so
are too slowly.
I want to just to drink the result of my lemon trees.
Oh, you can share this recipe. If you like sparkling water, you can obtain like a limonata, we
Perhaps
say.
someone want to be in the show. Show Ginevra.
Where is Ginevra?
It's there.
Oh, look at this beautiful cat. She's relaxing, taking the sun. Say hello, Ginevra. You are live. Say hello to our friends. Oh,
She's not so social. Okay.
Ciao Gini.
She needs some love. She needs some love. Come on, Ginevra. Come on. Say hello to our friends. Say hello. Ciao. Ciao, guys. I'm Ginevra. I'm a bad cat. I'm so proud. I think I'm a princess. And so I have the blue blood. Say hello. Ciao. So guys.
So
I'm so
share
proud.
this idea.
I'm so proud to share with you the result of my lemon trees. I made some lemon juice and I mixed with sparkling water. This is very refreshing now.
And also full of vitamin C.
Guys, cheers. Salute. We have to say something in Sicilian. Salute picciotte e picciotte. Si putite, arrinfrescatevi con una bella limonata, che è la cosa più bella che può esserci in questo momento. This is wonderful, guys. So we are now enjoying a sunny day. We are outside in our garden. We want to share our how do you say, our happiness with people who are not lucky and are in a building, in a flat, in apartments now. So guys, hang in there. This bad moment, this bad situation will be over soon, and so you will be able to go out. And
we want to thanks. I want to thank our friends because every day they give us a lot of energy.
yeah,
They recharge our soul,
yeah.
and we are very happy to have created this beautiful family of Sicily lovers.
Guys, you don't know how much energy you give us. This is incredible because now we want to talk about something beautiful happened yesterday.
Yeah.
Yesterday we spent perhaps 6 hours. I'm not joking, guys. No kidding. 6 hours chatting with beautiful people. Video chatting with beautiful people in United States and in Canada.
Yeah.
And it's incredible how much love you can give us, guys. So we are receiving more love from you than from our friends, our relatives. We are very proud to have created this beautiful community, and we would like to argue all of you now. This is impossible. So we.
But we
at
can
this
feel
moment,
your power.
Your energy.
Yes.
So at this moment, this video chat is the best opportunity to stay positive, to stay human. And remember what I say. If you feel positive, your system, your immune system is strong, guys, and you don't need to go to the hospital. And you don't care about what they say about the virus, so you will be healthy. And if you want to be healthier, drink some lemonade, full of vitamin C.
I also want to say something about two beautiful persons.
Yeah.
They are Joe and Dorothy Mastropaolo. They are the owners of
JDM
Teams and Promos.
Yeah, they are based in New Jersey, in
yes.
Lodi.
Lodi, yes.
They are a beautiful couple.
Yeah.
We spent with them 2 hours yesterday talking about
Sicily?
everything.
Yes.
Sicily, our business, their business. They provide personalized items such as uniforms, school uniforms, in the New Jersey state.
And they are inviting a lot of their friends to follow us. So we want to welcome these new friends in our family. In particular,
let me say something about the big community from Garfield.
Yes.
They are called San Siro.
San Siro.
Or they are St. Anthony.
No, San Siro.
San Siro. San Siro from Garfield.
Yes, they have roots in Marineo.
In Marineo. And then I want to say hello, ciao picciotti and picciotte, to the other group called St. Anthony Group from Garfield.
Lodai.
Lodai, sorry. Rosella studied, I didn't study. From Lodai, and they come from Bolognetta. Bolognetta and Marineo are two very nice villages just outside Palermo, so...
very small,
yeah,
but very authentic.
Authentic villages, and so...
with beautiful people.
Yeah, and Dorothy and Joe told us that many people... emigrated from Marineo and Bolognetta, and now they stay in New Jersey. So we want to say hello to our new friends in New Jersey. Thank you to Dorothy and Joe for giving the opportunity to make our community larger. And
they are also organizing a group to join our Sicily Lovers Tour.
And we talk about many other opportunities to work together, to plan...
to promote Sicily in the world.
And to plan other tours of Sicily. So we hope when this crazy situation will be over, we'll be ready to invite and to help many other people, many other friends to enjoy Sicily in the most relaxing way, to enjoy the best locations, the most authentic experiences with locals, the most terrific food and wine, of course, guys. So, and if you have, of course, a Sicilian origin, we will help you, as we usually do, to discover your Sicilian roots, your Sicilian ancestral family. And you know, guys, we at your disposal. We do our best to help you, because this is our homeland, and we are very easy to go to the city hall, to church, to find certificates, documents. We can be useful to find your relatives, distant relatives here in Sicily. So,
and we are also proud to share the beauties of our beautiful island from the point of view of two true Sicilians.
We are proud Sicilian guys, just like you are. So no matter if you never visit Sicily, if you are not born in Sicily, because if you are in this community, you are Sicily lovers. So this is the most important reason. Sicily is in our DNA. That's the most important thing.
And we are sure that...
Are you tired?
No, I'm not. I want to say that we want to invite you in a new kind of experience. Is a human, based on human relationship, first of all.
Yeah, this is our project. So, guys, best thing to do in Sicily is not only a Facebook page. It's a new concept of traveling. So you will enjoy true relationship with locals, with your distant relatives, with authentic people. So
emotional connection, we say.
To each one his own. So it's impossible to say in few words what Sicily is. You can love UNESCO sites, food. You can love the people. You can love the authentic experiences. You will be satisfied. This is the most important thing.
You will enjoy yourself to the fullest, and you will recharge our soul, and you can feel the positive Sicilian vibrations.
We are thrilling, guys. So, guys, I would like to say hello to our friends, but I'm blind. I'm seeing John Mercurio. Hello, John. Let me say hello to John.
I think that you have to come back to work, and I can greeting our friends.
Okay.
Because.
But let me say something about how we spent our night yesterday.
Oh.
So, guys, we've been chatting to New Jersey with Dorothy and Joe for a couple of hours, and then we had a private video chat with Frank and Anthony Ragusa.
Two proud Sicilians.
Let me say that, guys, you are wonderful. We had about 4 hours. I don't know, but because we went to sleep very late in the night. It was midnight. We've been talking to these wonderful guys for 4 hours, and we didn't realize how the time was running. So we want to thank you guys. You are wonderful, and you are doing a great job with our new website. Guys,
they are
I want to thank you, all the people who are helping us, correcting our text about our new website. And so, guys, they
are teaching us English because we have a bad English.
And this is a very hard job. This is an impossible mission.
In Sicilian, we say, io sogno turduna. It means that I'm not able to understand very easily.
Yeah, this is what we were talking about yesterday with Frank Ragusa. They say burduni, and we say turduni with T. Burduni
the meaning is the
with
same.
B, which was the animal? It comes from I don't remember,
but anyway.
Turduni, Burduni. So it means dumb, stupid. So we are so stupid. We can't improve our English, and so we thank you guys for teaching us
and for your poor love.
And guys. Let me introduce Frank and Anthony, his son, because they are proud Sicilian. They perhaps they love Sicily more than some Sicilians do, and we want to invite them in our next live stream. So we will.
So they can share their history with you, because they born and grow up in
Canada. Yeah, they live in Montreal.
But the grandparents and the parents
are from Sicily.
Yes.
So guys, you will love them because they are wonderful guys. In the next appointment, in the next live streaming, we will show them. We will introduce them. And we will talk about Sicily from the point of view of someone who live out of Sicily, abroad. So this is so touching for us. When I meet people who love Sicily more than Sicilians do, I'm thrilling. This is incredible.
Our hearts, so plural, are overwhelmed with joy.
Yeah, Rosella is right. This time you are right.
Okay, thanks. So the lesson of yesterday was good for me.
You improved your English.
Also, we learned for the first time the Oxford vehicle which is
the Oxford comma.
Yes,
Guys, we
never know about
we never
this.
known about the Oxford, or someone else say Harvard comma. So the function to divide a sentence with comma several times till the end conjunction. So you never know, guys. Life is always a surprise. I go home.
Yes, Gianca, please.
I want to say something about my dry stone walls.
Oh, yes, sure.
You can
I can switch.
film me.
Yes. I love you.
Guys, this way. Rosella, come this way.
Yes, but you are in front of the sun, so
Guys, this is the heritage of our traditional culture, of the Sicilian culture. Don't fall down.
no.
Noi ti chiamiamo murita secco. So, dry stone walls. Ancient workers, ancient plowmen didn't use any cement. So they broke the big stones with a big hammer. They choose the perfect shape stone, and they made just like a mosaic. If you see, this wall was built about 40 years ago, when my father bought this ground. They built the house, and then they created these beautiful terraces. They are so authentic and natural, and this is something special that now, unfortunately, we are losing, because nobody makes the dry stone walls
Without cement
anymore. Yeah, they buy the traditional blocks, and nobody used to break the stone anymore. So guys, this is 40 years old wall, and it still resists. So I would like to say thank you, Mr. Turiddu Genova, who was the person. Now is passed away, of course. He was 70 years old when he made this great job. I say hello to Mr. Turiddu. And what else, Rosella?
you need to plant, Gianca, because you have too many plants. You have more than 100 and 120.
It would be better. Yeah, I bought too many plants. More than 100 plants. So guys,
And
I go on with the peppers.
yeah,
Or with the
it's up to you. You have to plant everything. So
oh, this is the eggplant, guys. I would like to plant an eggplant because they need more space. So this is the okay. Rosella, am I forgetting something? Anything?
maybe in the next days, when the lockdown will be over, we can go to Maria to share, because I can read that there are a lot of people asking for traditional Sicilian recipes.
Yeah.
And so with this,
Who's Maria?
Maria is the best for me, housewife in Sicily.
In the world.
And she's very proud to share with you the secrets of the Sicilian cuisine. So I promise you guys, when the lockdown will be over, I will go every day to Maria's house to share her recipes.
Is Maria involved in our tours?
Yes, sure. We dedicate a full day to Maria, to spend with Maria, because she can provide you with amazing
Authentic Sicilian culinary lessons. So not cooking class, not traditional cooking class with professional chefs. Maria is a grandma, is the result of the most traditional Sicilian cuisine. She makes wonderful Sicilian dishes, and she is proud to be Sicilian, and she looks forward to meeting you guys and teaching you how to make the most delicious dishes.
And what about the lunch with Maria, Gianca?
No, this is
a surprise. Okay, we don't want
you have to be ready.
We don't want to say nothing, but we suggest you to skip the dinner before the meeting with Maria, and also the breakfast. And maybe you can skip also the lunch of the day after.
Yeah. It's a very hard experience, guys. But you will enjoy yourself to the fullest.
It's very difficult.
Rosella is so tiny that she fell into a hole. The hole is so small, but it's enough for Rosella.
So what are you planting now?
I don't know.
Tenerumi.
I'm worried about the tomatoes, because I know that tomatoes grow very, very large.
Yeah.
So they need
a bigger space.
A huge space. So I'm afraid to plant tomato.
Only
here.
one to share with our friends.
Yeah.
And also one of Tenerumi, because we just planted what? Eggplants? Peppers?
Eggplants and one of capsicum pepper.
Okay, and also one onion.
One onion, yeah.
Okay.
So guys, I don't know where. Perhaps in the hedge.
Yeah.
So when he grows, he go out of the terrace. Yeah. I go this way, okay? Or vabbè.
And then at the end, Gianca, you have to water all the plants, right?
Yeah, sure. Because I don't think it will rain in the next hours, in the next days. The forecastings are very good, so I have to water it. What do you think? I'm good?
Maybe more soil.
More soil?
Yes, hopper, yeah. That's okay now. You can go home.
I look forward to showing you guys this the result of this job.
But of course, we hope to meet you before.
Yeah.
Because we have to wait at least 2-3 months. So.
Yeah, but it's the good season is approaching. So look, for example, at the roof of this. I just say pergolato, guys. So this is the American grape. Now it's, I do say, is not blowing. So if you see, they are it's ready to bloom. Che c'è, Rosella? Che dici? Che non ti capisco.
Go on, Gianca.
Mi fa segnali. Io non capisco quando mi fai segnali, io non capisco. Ah, mi dice stringi.
Tenerumi.
Because I'm long.
Yes, you are too long.
I like talking, and so I don't realize that our live streams are very, very long.
Yeah.
What? Tenerumi?
Yes.
Tenerumi. But it's not
In the meantime, guys, don't forget to share this live streaming and also to invite your friends to follow us. Thanks for your love and thank you for your help.
Tenerumi. So tenerumi again, the most traditional Sicilian vegetable. We used to make a wonderful pasta dish called tenerumi and zucchini. This is the plant of a particular kind of zucchini, and I don't know where to plant it. Right here?
Yeah.
Okay. I forgot my... Ok. Oh. Un cane.
As you can see, dog and cat can live in peace. Gianca, Tom is asking if are those San Marzano tomatoes you are planting?
No, I don't know. Actually, I didn't know what they are. The vendor said Corleone tomato. I never had it. I never known before, so
We will know at the end.
I don't know. And actually, I didn't ask him how they grow, if they are round shape or long shape. Personally, I prefer the
Small tomatoes?
cherry tomato, the ciliegino tomato, or the datterino. They are the most delicious. They are the sweetest tomato in Sicily. Actually, I don't know. Where is the tomato? There. I don't know the Corleone tomato. I will I will show you the fruit in few months, guys. But this is just a way to spend our time in a positive way. Of course, I will be proud to pick my own vegetables, my own fruits, but this is just an opportunity to be positive. So I say it again. Try to invest your time in something positive, in some artistic skill, in I don't know, you can play music, you can learn how to play chess, how to sing, how to act. Guys, make something that is important for your soul, and the coronavirus can go, you understand where.
Ciao, Jeannie! Thank you for hosting us during your show in Boston.
Hello, Jeannie! Jeannie deserves... where is...
Let me...
Oh, hello, Jeannie! Good morning!
Was an amazing experience, so exciting. Our first time we
You're
was
in shadow.
we were invited in a broadcast, a TV broadcast.
Yeah, it's a cable TV in Boston, and they invited us to talk about Sicily. So I don't know if there is something more interesting, something better for us. So we are very proud because Jeannie gave us a great opportunity to talk about Sicily. So Jeannie, thank you again. Thank you so much, and we look forward to be in your show again. We will share this
yes, we have to share
this show in the Facebook page and also in our YouTube channel. Guys, I want to take the advantage to invite you to visit our YouTube channel. It is a very small channel. We have no loaded many videos, but they are different because they are made by how do you say, with the best tools. So you can see the best footage, the best images of Sicily. Not bad quality like this live stream. They are filmed with camera, using microphones. Rosella remembers what she say.
So help us also to improve our YouTube channel.
Yeah, it would be very nice if you could subscribe our channel. Now Rosella will put a link, and so you can join our YouTube channel as well.
So you have to do 3 things. Invite your friends to like our page, share this live streaming, and subscribe our YouTube channel. You have a lot of things to do. So you can keep your
mind busy
with these operations for us.
So guys, thank you so much again to all the people who helped us in the correction of our website. Thank you for your precious time. We are happy to spend together a great time with you during our video chatting, and thank you for watching, thank you for supporting, thank you for your love. Stay tuned.
And what else?
I don't know. I would like to read all the comments.
Even if you can, I can listen to you. I want that at the end of this live streaming, you can say all together in the word. Imagine this positive,
big community full of beautiful people, beautiful, positive people.
Say
so,
all
guys,
together what? Also you, Gianca.
Also me. Me
So-
too, me too. I try, guys. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. Ciao, guys. Ciao, ciao. Ciao.